Hello guys, you are welcome back to today's cryptocurrency analysis, and today I would be giving you what are the latest price predictions and analysis even for YEARN.finance. So sit back, relax and enjoy the video, right? And as you can see, right, we have seen a huge push right up to the upside even for YEARN.finance. Also, do not forget is the altcoin doctor here, bringing you the latest analysis, price predictions and trades even for YEARN.finance or your favorite coins. Please do not forget to click on the like button, click on subscribe button. Thank you for doing that, and without further ado, let us move over to the chart, right? So we are on the chart right here for YFI versus the USD Theta. We are on the 4-hourly time frame, and Binance is our data. So the last time we made a video was right here where we were forming this high, we're getting a rejection, and we were saying we should expect prices at the $6,182 level. Since then, we have seen this push up, and as you can see, price has been in this range right here for YFI, which we have been expecting on the channel. For some of you that watched our last video, we were saying that this is very good for YFI on the long run, as this is what we call a huge accumulation range before we could see that a huge breakout to the upside. So right, we probably should be expecting a breakout in the next few days where we could see our YFI push right down to the upside, right? So we should still be expecting YFI to still have this range, and I would be telling you why. We probably could see another how many percent push to the downside, probably a 1 to 2% push right down to this level, right, of about the 6,457. So we could still see price push right down to that level, see some sort of accumulation before we see price push up right down to our $7,748 level. So we are expecting to have a pump in the next few days of about 19 to 20% in the price of YFI, and I will tell you why, right? As you can see on the 4-hourly time frame, right here, we are in our bullish phase, right? We are in our bullish phase as we are seeing strong buys coming into the market, even though as you can see we are already seeing, right, some sort of yellow happening right here on this volume profile, which means we are seeing strong sells and weak buys. As you can see, the sells are already appearing, right, but this could just be a sell to push it down right here to the 6,457, which we talked about. That we should still be expecting one little range, a range right here before we see that push to the upside. Same thing on the RSI. RSI is very bullish, forming a higher lows, right, which is very bullish. So we could see the RSI push back down to this $50 level before 50 points level before we see another push to the upside. But basically, this is a very bullish structure happening right here even for YFI. As you can see, we are forming lower highs, which is very bullish. We could see some little consolidation before we see that push to our target of the 7,748. So we are bullish on YFI, right? And that's the analysis for today. If you like the channel, please do not forget to click on the like button, click on subscribe button. Thank you for watching, and have a blessed day.